Yeah, man, I ride it in here, but the bumbuckler rain a fall, dog, you see it. Wet up people, you see it. The rain just come and fuck up the whole right thing. See all that girl that was run gone ride. I don't know where she gone. I don't know what she say she gone do. I can't even see her a blood and see her there. Her bike light a blink. I don't know where she say she run gone. Yeah, man, I saw it going on. The ride for ride and the rain a come fuck up the whole thing, yo, dog. And that in a dog, when you prepare and come out, it I feel like your place dry. And then you come out and the place is so full of water on the road. And then the cyclists don't want to ride because you don't know say the road provide a risk. It prove a risk. And then people shoes and socks are get wet up on all them blood clot body. You know see. I just say I know we create a universe and everything. I just say look at the spiritual law you control the cloud movement, you can't even say nothing more time. It can't really bend to our will. I just say it go. I just more time when you prepare for ride and come out, seeing? It's a great disappointment, the kind of partially hurt your little soul, you know, because you prepare and come out, and then you can't go to the ride if you turn back and go take out back your blood clot, cycling clothing, and, you know. Yeah, man, enough of them, but then enough of them still, because usually I'll 30 of them, 40 of them. But maybe the ride, maybe the rain and the weathering, some of them check now, them go so boom, and then nobody come out. Because I don't see nobody over city bikes, only 2 car alone, I see over there. And I probably only 1 driver alone come out of blood clot, that. Understand? Yeah, man, that's how the thing said, man. Yeah. Police man I go around and ask people for ID. I trespass them a trespass against the public, you know. Them police boy they forget blood clot murder in advance and them wife and them children forget slaughter in advance. So the work what them do and threaten the public and do fire shot and them shot down people, family member with gun and taser. If the policeman not get obedience, the motherfucker I be a presumptuous and love to I fuck with you with them blood clot fish. When they catch a pussy, them chop off them too and chop off them bum buckler suck pussy head. And that to do them American police boy. The motherfucker them love one of them evil and them love one of them tough. Them love one of them evil, meaning that them can do use them will for the evil and nobody can come out for them and kill him and bust off him and kill him family. The posted them love going at them can do certain things and nothing can reach them. The blood clot junkie, they make a will not in another country, man. Watch how much of them a blood clot kill and dash way. Look how much of them dash out the road. Snipe out the pussy them and all use remote control drone with bomb and bomb the pussy them. You know much of them for blood clot dead. Them for blood clot get killed. You see it, dog. You see, then take up a work where the work bring back the vengeance and violence to them and then still go take the work. They still want to do that work and live by gun violence. You know what I'm saying? And they still want to do that shit. And they now calculate the cost of what will happen to them and their family and still do the work and then fuck with people. You have to kill them. You can't forgive police. You can't forgive people as soldier. You have to murder and butcher them and their wife and children and their mother and father. And them thing they have to do them. You have to kill them boy, the wife and children when them boy they take the work. And them boy they, you know see it, I go leak and cause when them take the work, you know, guess what? Them not ask them family members, you know, and friends, you know, for show them ID, you know. Them don't ask them family member and friends for show them ID. And them don't take them family member by force if them being disobeyed. Them don't do that. You see it? Cause them do that, them establish enmity among themselves. Understand now? So the fuck of them do them a ride out. You see the road still wet. I don't know how them a take occasion and that. So watch you know, dog. And that's why you see them a do what them a do, you know. Bad man enough to kill the man them of the family where we lose family members to police shooting. The man them for call up the other man them with a cousin and kill the police boy them family back. A killer for kill them boy the wife, them boy the children, and kill them boy the mother and father and burn down them boy the house or apartment where them pussy they live in. Yeah, them forget murder cause they not for take no side against we and a play with gun violence. Them not for blood clot do that. And them on the line, them are Judas against you. I betray them, the political dog shit for so they don't forget slaughter. Murder, them forget blood clot, murder dog. They don't forget no mercy. Once them take that word, the bad man, you can pick them off out the road, because you and other people them go shot down. Them not go shot down for them family member and for them friend. And them not go ask their family members and friends to show them ID. Seeing? So you just murder them bumbuckler family in lieu of them taking that work. A dog shit man them. Motherfucker now want to get gunshot on it. He don't want to go jail, but he want to play other people with that. Dirty stinking hypocrite them. Kill the dirty stinking blood clot dirty man them. A dog shit pursue them. Unjust and them a hypocrite. You see it? And then enough of them again, from them going to school, them have a man daughter suck them dick. Them in a oral sex. And all of a sudden, them get righteous and come talk about them a blood clot police. You need for murder blood clot them and bust off them pussy clotted more time. And that you don't need for the pussy them. Anyway, another bomb buckler video, man, I go up on the ride and now straight.